Sanibona bafethu uVane. So imosteni bayabuza abantu bayabuza bathi hayibo weVane muphi uSibelebele, where is Sibelebele the player who plays for Orlando Pirates? Umjida kade sagcina ukumbona. So bafethu ngiphethe indaba engekho mnandi la bafethu. uSibelebele the Orlando Pirates player is currently nursing an injury. Umjida bafethu ulimele. Umjida ulimela akusizona indaba ezimnandi lezi because mukhumbula kahle sisathana kulimalela uMfukeng, sisathana nje kule game esiphuma kuyona kulimalela uSihle Mduli, uMfukeng usathana kubuya. So ukulimala kaSibelebele akusizona izindaba ezimnandi lezi. Nisibona nje bafethu isithombo, umjida bafethu is currently in a hospital. He is currently in a hospital. He is still nursing that injury. I just hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi asheshe alulame. Yabo asheshe alulame. Maningi ama games Orlando Pirates esamele wadlala. There are many games that we need to play. I hope Sibelebele lapha khona uzokwazi usashesha lulame sikwazi usheshe simbone futhi umjida siyamdinga because musukhumbula kahle vele uSibelebele zasangasamfaka kakhulu. I think management ibisibonile, i-technical team ibisibonile ukuthi umjida vele usethintekile because bese bangasamfaka kakhulu. Yabo bese bangasamfaka kakhulu and ile yonto ke ebonakalile because kumukhumbula kahle kule game eMamelodi Sundowns umjida wayezoba khona. Yabo wayezoba khona but ke it's a pity ukuthi wayengekho umjida wayelimele. Orlando Pirates ke isprovidelanga i-update regarding ukulimala kwakhe umjida but ke i-update esiyitholile i-update yabani yaMakhehleni Makhawula noOlisanda. Makhehleni Makhawula noOlisanda basathana kubuya bajida bebeqhamuka ku-extended injury. Bajida bebene injury ade sagcina ukubona uOlisanda edlala for Orlando Pirates. Wagcina nini ukubona uOlisanda wearing a Orlando Pirates jersey, playing for Orlando Pirates? It's been a while since we last saw these two players. Bobabili nje ade sagcina ukubabona Makhehleni Makhawula benoOlisanda abakazi bayidlalela Orlando Pirates kule season le. So sisalindele ukubabona abajida bedlala for Orlando Pirates but ke kuzoba inkinga for Olisanda. I see Makhehleni Makhawula easily getting back to the starting lineup because you see uSihle Nduri currently umjida usalimele. Last game umjida ulimalile. So I see uMakhehleni Makhawula getting back to the squad but ke eka uLisanda izoba nzimana because you have the likes of Bosiyemo, you have the likes of Bombokazi, defender of the season uSibisi. I don't think umjida uzovele angene nje kalula ku squad. Kuzomela alwe ngempela uLisanda. We know uLisanda is a quality defender, is a quality center back, but when you look at the squad right now, no one akekho umuntu one scheme laphana, akekho umuntu yabo o guaranteed ukuthi uzosithola ischeme. Yabo kumele ukwazi ukuthi uyilwele indawo yakho kulesa scheme Orlando Pirates and uAbdeslam Wadu, he's a different coach okwaziyo uinstill philosophy ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele ayilwele iposition yakhe. So eka Olisanda ngempela izobe inkinga but ke ungangitshela wena, do you think Olisanda stands a chance to come back ku squad Orlando Pirates? Do you think umjida maybe simfake ku transfer list because he's not that player ongawenza ama plans kakhulu? Ngahlezi ngisho ngalindo konda akwazi umbala ngama plans because umjida uzofika adlala masiyalimala, adlala masiyalimala. Do you put him in your plans? Asas but ke mina I trust coach ukuthi uzowenza the right decision with these two players coming back. Bazosiboosta kakhulu ba add kule quality esinayo vele. Yabo kulimala abanye buye abanye, kulimala abanye buye abanye. Kuthiwa abajida ba train right now ba right, yabo ba trainer and the management ihappy ukuthi bazobuya bedlale with Orlando Pirates.